Hi friends, wish you a very good evening. I hope you all are fine and enjoying your day. I don't want to make video today because my mood is not very well. But then I remember and my promise. So the today the topic which we will discuss, that is good days versus bad days. Guys, we know this in this life some days are really good and some days are really bad. So we all go through this phase. We Some ups and downs come into our life. So what should we do when there are bad days, and what should we do when there are good days? If I share my personal views, in our good days, we should, first thing which we should do, we should learn a skill. Whatever skill, whatever you like, you should learn a skill. When you are good, you have a good taste, you should invest. The second thing which we should do, you should invest in whatever you want to invest. You should invest. The third thing you should do is, you should donate at least some of amount. Maybe it's a very smaller amount, but you should help at least 4 5 people, so that you can uh, get the blessings from them. Fifth thing you should do, you should do a small amount of saving. And the sixth things which you can do is always pray. Prayer has a significant role in our life, so we should do prayers every day, and should be grateful that God has given us this beautiful life to us. The If we are passing through the bad days, what we should do, the first thing which we should do, we should cut short our expenses and find out our all the resources. We should limit our travelings and our habits. We should we should think that this time is temporary, and this time will go on. So we should be calm and confident, and we should try to do different activities like reading books, watching movies, studying. If you are preparing for something, you should study, talking with your friends, and this way you should spend that time. So somehow you spend that time and the good. And fourth thing, you should avoid any bad habits. The fifth thing you should do is always take advice from the people who loves you, who care for you, who you think they are good persons. It is not necessary that they belongs to you in a blood relation. They are your father, they are mother. They may be somebody else. They may be your father, they may be your brother, they may be somewhere. But a person who criticize you for your betterment, who always tell you what to do and what not to do, you should take advice from them, so that you can do better things in your life. And every time you should be in touch with the people who are seniors than you, and who you think are better persons, better human being. It is not necessary that they are successful or not. If they are a good human being, you should contact with them, you should be in touch with them. The fifth thing, you should be do some creative work, so that your mind may be involved in that. You may appreciate some good music, so that your mind may be feel nice. And once, there are many types of bad days. Maybe you have gone through a breakup, maybe you failed in examination, maybe you didn't get a good job, maybe you lose somebody loved ones. There are so many things you may feel low. So in such a situation you should think that this situation is a temporary and I have to overcome this and I have to prove that I'm enough strong and I have to do this. Thank you very much guys. I hope you guys are enjoying your life and enough strong to handle any sort of situations, and being a human being you are enough capable to handle any sort of situation. Wish you a very great evening guys. Goodbye.